The behavior for the accumulator, somebody that's still within that window before they transition into retirement or actually not working. And that is the academic theory of dollar cost averaging, systematic investing. It's not enough to say, I'm going to put some money when I get my bonus or I get my tax return back. I'm going to put some money away for the future. That's not good enough. You have to be investing the same dollar amount over a specific period of time. That's academically called dollar cost averaging. And that's proven to be heaven's greatest timing mechanism. We can't time the market. We can't predict the market. But if you will consistently put money into the investment pot over a period of time, you have much greater results. I'll give you an example. If we took two portfolios, one being your 401k at work, and you were putting money in every pay period from your employer, and you took another account that you weren't adding to consistently, the rate of return of the dollar cost average portfolio, the one that you're consistently putting in, dripping in, the performance is usually much, much greater, even with the same exact investments. Why? Because some months when you're adding that money in, excuse me, you're adding in buying low.
Okay.
You're buying shares that are on sale. Some other months or pay periods, you might be buying fewer and fewer shares because the stock or the fund price is higher. But over time, your average cost is to your advantage.